Every day, billions of people around the world start and end their day with a simple habit, brushing their teeth. But have you ever wondered how toothpaste is actually made?
We combine fine abrasives for cleaning, a clear humectant, natural flavorings, and our unique protective compounds.
The viscosity readings are stable.
Good. The raw material batch meets specifications.
These massive stainless steel silos hold the key ingredients for millions of tubes of toothpaste produced daily in this facility.
By scanning the barcodes on the raw materials, we guarantee end-to-end traceability and accuracy.
The pressure on line 3 is stabilizing now.
Good. We can increase the flow rate by 5%.
In the mixing tank, precise flow systems ensure the perfect consistency for our new toothpaste.
Look at the fluctuation here at the 500-liter mark. It's outside the acceptable range.
I see it. We should adjust the mixing speed on tank 3 immediately.
The blue streams you see being injected are the precise amount of mint flavoring, which are then thoroughly blended by the mixing paddles.
Here in the Quality Control Lab, our technicians meticulously check every batch for consistency.
Here we see the pressurized flow entering the vacuum chamber, where air is removed to ensure product consistency.
The synchronization is perfect on this run.
Yeah. It looks good from the holographic display too.
A seamless global network connecting our production facilities with homes and retailers across the world.
We need to address this variability in the data stream immediately.
I agree. It looks like the synchronization error is recurring. Let's proceed to the next station.
We need to increase the speed on this conveyor segment.
I've updated the parameters. It looks stable now.
The results for the randomized samples look consistent.
Yes, batch 47B is cleared for release.